A true leader empowers others to rise, knowing that their success does not diminish his own. Silence is the armor of the Sigma male. Don't be afraid to walk alone. The path less traveled often leads to greatness. Be the calm amidst the chaos, the embodiment of a Sigma male. A true Sigma male doesn't compete with others, he competes with his own limitations. The ability to adapt is the key to survival in a rapidly changing world. To be a Sigma male is to stand out, not blend in, the embodiment of authenticity. Authenticity is the cornerstone of a Sigma male's character. A true leader doesn't dictate, he empowers others to find their own voice. Dare to dream big, even if it means walking alone on the path to success. A Sigma male doesn't seek to fit into a mold, he breaks it and creates his own. A Sigma male understands that success is a journey, not a destination. Don't fear being misunderstood. Embrace the power of your uniqueness. A Sigma male understands that conformity is the enemy of progress. Don't chase the spotlight. Let your accomplishments speak for themselves. To be self-sufficient is to be truly free. A Sigma male isn't afraid to stand out. He embraces his uniqueness. Be so focused on your goals that distractions become mere background noise. A true leader doesn't need a title. He influences through actions and integrity. A Sigma male knows when to follow and when to lead. Being misunderstood is a testament to your uniqueness. Don't let the noise of the world drown out your inner voice. Don't seek validation from others. Find it within yourself, the essence of a Sigma male. A Sigma male doesn't need an audience to validate his worth. To be free is to detach from societal expectations and embrace your individuality. Silence speaks volumes, and a Sigma male knows when to let his actions do the talking. Don't be afraid to challenge the status quo. The Sigma male embraces change. A Sigma male doesn't seek to fit in. He embraces being an outlier. A true Sigma male knows that his worth is not determined by the opinions of others. A Sigma male doesn't follow trends. He sets his own path. To be strong is to stand firm in your convictions, even when faced with opposition. Strength is found in self-mastery and the ability to control one's emotions. A true leader leads with empathy, compassion, and an unwavering commitment to integrity. A Sigma male understands that true power is found in controlling one's own destiny. Embrace your uniqueness, for it is what sets you apart from the crowd.